this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 68 in IQ Dungeon. So to do this, first you need to attack them with a wizard, like this, wake him up. Now attack them with a archer, knight, like this. Now place your wizard somewhere above the archer, and now do this pattern. And then shoot the fireball so that it lights up the torch. Let's do it again, sorry. A little bit up like this. Now do this pattern. Oh, but first we need to shoot the enemies like this. And now repeat this pattern. And now just strike with your knight. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.